Hi there, so I'm in a workshop. I've made a video about how I've made this jig before. It's like a stationary base for my Festool domino machine. And I thought I'd show you one of the other great thing about this is you can really kind of repeat cuts on angles like this, but just because it's a stationary thing I made myself and it's just plywood, I can just nail things into it. And you repeat cuts for a project like this one. I'm making a shoe rack made out of oak. And yeah, having 45 degree angles bit like this, if you just mark it, like you can get a bit like hard to kind of hold the piece in place if you just use the fence. So using this is a great advantage. And also using you can just nail a stop like this at a 45 degree angle or whatever angle for this matter. And it's the first time I've had to do this at a 45 degree angle like this, and I can do this. And it's yet again like another great use for this stationary base, of which again I've made another video about, so if you're curious about it, just go and get the other video. But I just want to show you how easy it is to just repeat cuts very easily, even on awkward shape piece of work like this. It could be again, like the angle or the shape of the piece could be as intricate as you want. The fact that you can just like nail something into the base as opposed to use the fence, it makes it a lot safer, a lot simpler, so much easier and faster to repeat cuts on multiple pieces. It's just the best way to work on multiple and repetitive cuts with this machine. I found this stationary base is just the gift that keeps on giving, really. So can I show you how quick it is? I've made a whole bunch of them, but I forgot to cut this one, so I'll get to show you how quick it goes. And here you are. And the way I've cut, so this is going into a rail basically, and the rail was also just marked and started along this fence as well. It's just really is the best way I found to use this machine for repetitive cuts and in a very accurate way and very safe way to work really fast with it. This stationary base has been just saving me so much time and make me use this machine a lot more than I would have if not. So yeah, there you are.